In this video, we will demonstrate how you can autofill and auto-send invoices using the Google Spreadsheet. To start the process, first, we will open up the Google Sheet in which we have mentioned the details of the invoices such as invoice date, due date, number of items, and their respective cost, contact of the person, company name, country, email, status, and final invoice sheet. Now, we will jump to its second subsheet, which is the invoice template. Here, we will check out the format of the template, like in what format all the previously shown details of the spreadsheet will sent to the customers as an invoice reminder. Once it's done, we will move towards the configuration procedure. For this, first, we will click on the outright and then create PDF links. As the PDF links successfully created, text will appear on the screen after the running script text. You need to click on the OK button to disappear the text. Doing this, you will see that all the statuses have been updated in the sheet with created name, and a new subsheet has been added to the main sheet as well. This newly generated subsheet, named June 24th, will represent the due date of the invoice, will contain the all links for the final invoice. This means, if you'll mention the due date with another month, then a new subsheet will be created with the name of that other month. Since it gets newly created for every month, like for June it will separate, and for July there will be a new one. For further, we will open up the created template manually by clicking on the final invoice link, and we'll check the details in the formatted template such as invoice date, due date, and more. For verification, we will match the invoice template details with the spreadsheet such as person name, country, items, their respective cost, and so on. Once we have verified all the details, then we will click on the Send PDF button. As you will press the button, you will see the running script text on the top and then the PDF successfully sent on the mid of the screen. So, you need to click on the OK button to further the procedure. Here, you will see that we have sent invoices to the 3 email addresses. To do a cross-check, we will go to the mailbox, and here you can see that we have received 3 emails regarding the invoice template. Now, we will move to add the triggers to automate this entire process. For this, we will click on the extension button. You can get this whole code from the description box for free. Next, we will click on the triggers button next to the alarm icon, as the triggers adding section has been opened up to you. So now you need to click on the Add Triggers button showing in the bottom right corner. This trigger will be for creating PDF links automatically. To generate this, we will add Create PDF links in the function Head in the deployment, Time Driven in the event source, and Minute Timer in the trigger type. Here we have taken Minute Timer for the testing purpose, but you can take Week Timer, Month Timer, and more as per your needs. In addition to this, we took every 5 minutes in minute intervals. Here also you can choose according to your requirements. Choose the Notify Me Daily option among all from the notification settings. And finally, we'll click on the Save button. For further, we will add another trigger for sending the emails automatically. So, once again, Send PDF from the function Head from deployment, Time Driven from the event source, Minutes Timer from the trigger type, every 10 minutes from the minute interval before clicking on the Save button. Once both triggers have been set up, now we will move back to the sheet. We have set up the first trigger for every 10 minutes, which is to create PDF automatically. So here we will wait for a while for trigger execution. As the mentioned minutes have been done, so the status will automatically get updated with created text, and a new subsheet will be generated with the name June 24th that will represent the due date of the invoice. Here, the question that may arise in your mind is that we have already created this subsheet for June 24th at the time of manual invoice link creation, then why again? The thing is, we generated this subsheet when we were creating the invoice link manually, but meanwhile, toward forwarding to automated invoice link creation, we have deleted this subsheet to regenerate or recheck it for automation. Therefore, as we will click on the June 24th subsheet, we will jump into the sheet where we will get the link to the automated built invoice template. Next to this, we will wait for 10 minutes for trigger execution, and then we'll check out the emails. As you can see, here we have received the emails, so we will check out all of them by opening one by one. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our YouTube channels for more such feeds.